We just stopped, not to have a sit on this lovely bench underneath the quarry, but we have spotted something there called the Kemback Falls. So we thought, let's go and investigate.
Right, Phil reckons I should go in the water because I got my wellies on. What do you reckon? You go in? Go on, pop your wellies on, I'll take you in with me. Right, you may notice a bit of camera shake because this water is freezing and I'm now shivering. Let's have a look and see what we can see, if there's any little bits of pottery or anything here. Lots of little tiny pieces. Let's see if there's anything exciting. You never know. Very deep. Oh, look at that. You can see just how cold it is. That's just like a real winter wonderland, isn't it? You can see the moss on the trees quite frozen, but that is gorgeous. Can't see any icicles on the waterfall though. I don't even know if you can hear me because this waterfall is very icy. Oh, look at this too. Isn't that lovely? Oh, that's well worth getting my feet wet for. Yeah, but how slippery is that? I don't think we can get up there.
Yes, it's a walkway.
Is it?
Yeah.
You've got to be kidding, look at that.
Technically, this is a walkway.
Spoken by a man who doesn't need 2 new kneecaps.
Yeah, that's alright.
Okay, if I fall,
You hang on to that.
you have it on camera, this was Phil's idea. Oh. I don't think I can do a step that big.
Yes, you can. Yeah. There we go.
Oh, come on.
Teamwork, Sam. Teamwork.
I'll never get back down.
Don't think we'll go that way. We'll go this way.
Right, here we go. There's our car in the distance. And there's the pool. And here's a bit more of the waterfall. So you hear a lot of puffing because this is very steep and I'm very worn out. Right.
Don't worry. I'm scared of it.
It's your own fault for dragging me up. Right, let's have a look here. Oh, look.
That's beautiful, isn't it?
Now there,
It's
it's worn away over thousands of years. It's a big bowl area there. What's over there? I'm too short to see. Anything exciting? I'm holding my camera up on the tripod. Right. Do you think we can get up there?
Yeah.
I don't think I can. You look like somebody from the Ministry of Funny Walks. There must be easier ways of doing this sort of thing, you know.
No problem. We can do this.
Always wear proper hiking shoes whenever you do this sort of mad thing.
Yes.
Not
Or wear your best
posh
shoes.
shoes or wellies.
I'm not dressed for this, am I?
No. I really don't think, and my legs,
Do you want me to go up a bit?
if you have a look at my leg would have to be above my hip to get up there. That's not going to happen.
Right, Caroline has had to admit defeat on this because it is rather difficult, and I was struggling to get up there, and I don't need new knees. But there's the view of the waterfall from the top, and here we are looking. There's a bit of a stepping stone there. If I can get onto that, and then we can just see up into the valley there. Oh, gorgeous. See where the water has washed it away in the sides. It's absolutely astounding. The incredible thing is, it's so easy to just drive by when you see a bit of water coming over the wall. But then you stop and you look at the reward you get. Autumn leaves, bare trees, running water. Nature at its best. Whee! The ferns, isn't it gorgeous? It's a little forest for the fairies.